Hey Rachel.
Hey, Felicia.
So I want to talk to you today about our new workbook that we have available.
Oh my
It
God, I'm
is
so
really
excited.
exciting.
I'm so excited.
So it's called Inclusion Strategies for Small Business. It is an ebook. It's a fillable PDF workbook, which you can purchase right on our website at inclusiongeeks.com in the resources section. And basically, it is how many pages is it again?
It's like 50 pages.
It is 50 plus pages. There is so much in there. The work that we do so much out there. We try to put a lot of stuff out there for you all. And, there's usually so much more that we can't even get to in terms of whether it's a webinar, training, a resource, a blog post, whatever it is. So the idea behind this ebook is we're trying to get all that good stuff that we've got in our brains and in our resource libraries and give it some of that to you all. So it's really a hands-on, step-by-step guide. It's designed to help small businesses specifically, which I love because I think that a lot of times tools like this are geared more for large businesses or
Hmm.
organizations that have big teams, lots of people,
And
and
big
challenge
budgets.
and big budgets. So this is, a nice low price of $49. So hopefully that's within your budget as a small business. But the challenges are different and there are unique situations that small businesses have to deal with that larger organizations do not.
Yeah.
What else is in here, Rachel?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I love about this is that it's really practical. We actually break it down into a variety of different steps because what we want to do is make sure that you feel like you have a real roadmap to doing this work. We know that small businesses are super busy. Your time is precious, right? I mean, everyone's time is precious, but we know your time is precious. And we really appreciate that you're caring about this right now. 2025 is kind of wild. So it is really awesome that you are honestly even spending the time right now with us talking through thinking it through this way to be more intentional about how you want to run your business. So what we did was we broke it down step by step, measuring what matters, evaluating the results, developing your strategy, implementing it with intention, and then making sure that it's also sustainable. So we talk you through the different steps. There's opportunities for you to engage with your team or just, you yourself, or if you have a lovely business partner like I do, and really talk through the strategies of ways that will work for you specifically. We give you a lot of different tools and frameworks so that you have a lot of options that are going to work for you. So it's really, really practical. That's totally our jam. We're so excited to be able to offer this and put this out there in the world. And also, because you've watched this video, we are going to reward you with a discount code.
What? Amazing. Love a
I
discount.
know. I love a discount too. So yeah, so if you have managed to watch this video this far, you'll get 15% off if you do SM as in Mary or small business SMB LOVE SMB love. So yeah, really encourage you to check it out. If you have any questions, you can always email us at hi@inclusiongeeks.com. And I think that's everything. Am I missing anything?
No, I think that's it. So yeah, go on, grab your copy, put in that lovely discount code, and let us know what you think.
Yay.